Hello, Internet. I'm Dan, and I manage the testing here at FOODit. And I'm here to show you today our continuous delivery dashboard. So, you can see our dashboard is laid out with several columns. These represent the workflow from beginning to end. So, the first piece of workflow is when we create a branch to work on a feature. Let's take a look inside the restaurant project to see what branches we have. You can see here our developers are quite busy working on several different things. Someone is working on improving capturing payments. Someone else is working on dynamic order ETA. All sorts of great stuff is going on right now. So once we've worked on the branch and we're ready to take the code live, we open a pull request. So let's look at the pull request for the API project. So you can see here we have a ton of work going on here right now. There are two open pull requests. The first you can see is still running through the CI system. So before we look at it, we might want to wait for that to turn green. You see the second one is turned green, meaning it's passed all of our integration and unit testing. So once it's green, we can take a look at the code, and then once we decide we like it, we merge it, and it goes into this unreleased stack of items. So once it's in the unreleased stack, our next release will contain that work. So if we go ahead and look over here, you can see these represent, in the central dish project right now, we have one item pending code review, and one item that has been accepted and not released. Or if you look at the API project, we had 2 items needing code review and 4 items awaiting release. Moving down the line, once things enter the code base, they get sent to our different environments here. So we have 4 primary environments here. There's the UAT environment, which is used for user acceptance testing by product managers and people like that. There's the dev environment, which contains all of the latest code. There's the staging environment, which contains the latest stable code. And then there's production, which contains the code our customers will see. So you'll see that builds move across here quite regularly. You can look on the UAT environment, someone's uploaded a snapshot build, which is sort of a work in progress, not an official build, and a product manager is probably looking at a feature here right now. But on dev, you have a newer version, 11.25, and then in production, the last one we released was 10.88, which was earlier this week. Also, you can see the results of the unit and acceptance test down here. So we like to keep it green here. All the tests are passing right now. It's a Friday. We don't want to be interrupted over the weekend. Things are good. And that's an overview of the FOODit Continuous Delivery Dashboard.